I believe I'm going to do this one way or another. Let me take another sip of an adult beverage. Ooh. Let me tell you the story about this. Anna had a guitar in her closet for a long time. She wanted to learn how to play guitar. She bought a guitar. It's called a Big Baby Taylor, and she didn't want to learn by herself, so she went out and bought me this thing. It is an exceptionally great guitar. It's got a 50 millimeter nut on it for extra wide spacing on the strings for my little Flintstone fingers. It's got gold plate. Everything is gold plated. You see how pretty that is? It's a Lucero. It's got the undercut on a thin body. It's a flamenco guitar. And you knew how much I love flamenco music. It's an LFM 200 SCE. There's only one higher grade Lucero guitar than this. And it's all because of the wood, not the construction, it's the wood. It comes with a Fishman, low, medium, and high tunable with a phase with the tuner. I don't use this. I don't need it. I mean, this guitar has so much depth and resonance. I really don't need an amp. My neighbors can hear this. I'm going, wow, look how pretty this is. See the reflection? Now the tuner, I wish I had a long time ago. The tuner I use, a lot of you guys use it, is a Super Shark. And it clips right onto the head of this, on the neck. And that works great. So I really don't use this. I've got a little 20 watt acoustical amp down there. And actually I got to crank it up real loud to match what this guitar is. And I got some competition in the back. Dogs, birds, fish, and now a cat. But using my big stubby fingers and being a bass player or trying to play the bass, and I hope all my neighbors appreciate my attempt to making a lot of noise with the bass. But this is a lot different. I'm really impressed with this guitar. And I encourage my guitar playing friends to go out and give it a try. Now the song that came from is called Magalina. Magalina was composed by a Puerto Rican composer back in 1938. And I downloaded the YouTube video, and I've been practicing a lot. Wow, hard to compete. But now he's listening. He is something. Oh, that's Mr. Yeah, I know. But I downloaded the video on the tutorial on this, and there's several different, many different types of ways to play this song. But this is what the instructor came out with, and it took me a while to do this. That took me a while to do that. Mainly is these fingers. See that? Wow, you guitar players know about that. My fingers are so numb, I can't tell if I got my fingers on the strings or not. So here we go. And that hurts. If anybody tells you that doesn't hurt, they're lying to you. And that's just these two fingers. And I got a little one right here. But this is the melody. There's two different types of this intro. That was the intro. Now, if you go back and look at the original, he's answering me. The original intro went like this, and I hope I can hit it. I'm holding the guitar wrong. I'm holding it in my lap. I should be holding it like this. I'm not there yet, okay? So here's how the original intro went. If I can hit it. That's the original intro from 1938. Now, there's two different types of melodies to this. And one I can't play. And I'm going to tell you I can't play it because it's hard. It's a counter high E. Okay? But using the thumb, right, and the finger, I will try it. But right now, let's do the instructor video. I told you it's hard. And I got him in the background singing with me. And I'm trying to not to pay any attention to him. That's Mr. Gray. Now, the original was the counter E, okay? That, to me, is hard. I haven't got there yet. But I have tried to work these two chords. This one. I'll get it. All right. But that's my guitar playing. There's another way I've been doing it. I've been playing with this. I can't do it with him. He's all, normally he'd be quiet. Come on, do it. Your turn. That's it. Yeah, you got it. Go ahead. That's Mr. Gray. Dogs, birds, cats, and fish. Catch y'all later.